bought some shorts at a truck stop. Before I go visiting, I'd like to tell you all about it. Truck stop shorts. Truck stop shorts. That's the name of the game. I came for the truck stop shorts. Truck stop shorts. Truck stop shorts. I could have got a meal, got a deal on truck stop shorts. They could have been 1 for $13. But they were 2 for $20. And let me tell you, it's true, saying what I mean when I say that the extra larges, were they large enough? Yeah, they were plenty. Truck stop shorts. Truck stop shorts. There was a problem with the first pair of truck stop shorts. The drawstring was all the way out to one of the sides. I spent 20 minutes trying to fix that thing. Now I've got 2 pairs of truck stop shorts, and one of the drawstrings has been fixed. It's really good now. Truck stop shorts. Truck stop shorts.